Hello everyone and welcome to my review of Bose Soundlink Micro. I bought this speaker because I own the Soundlink Mini, but unfortunately it's not really the type of speaker you can carry around with you. I wanted something small, something rugged, but something which sounds really good. That's why I end up buying this, and now we're going to have a look, unbox the speaker, see what features it has, and of course after that listen to some music. Without further ado, let's unbox it. I bought the speaker for around $100. It is available in 3 colors. This is blue, as you can see, and you can also have it in black or in orange. This is the box, this is how you receive it. Inside there is no foam or something like this to protect the speaker, because the speaker itself is quite well protected. It's very rugged, so it's not a problem that it's shipped like this. Inside you also have the papers, warranty, instructions, etc. You don't really need the instructions because the speaker is very easy to use. Just turn it on, pair with your mobile device, and you're ready to go. And you also have the USB charging cable. It's a micro USB. It doesn't have a charger, so you have to use either your laptop or your PC or any other wall charger. This is how I use it, and it doesn't have any issues. The speaker is very well built. The rubber, which offers great protection, is soft and really nice, so it really feels good in the hand. On top you have the power on and off button, the LED indicators for the battery, and the one on the right hand side which is showing if you're paired or not. You have the Bluetooth button, and on top also you have the charging port. In the front of the speaker you have the volume rockers and the multifunction button, and also the microphone. This means that you can speak to your speaker and control your device. And this is the best part, this is the strap with which you can basically strap your device everywhere you want. The speaker weighs around 300 grams, which is quite a lot for the size. It also offers up to 6 hours of music playing. It is rated as IPX7. This means that you can immerse it into water for up to 30 minutes, up to 1 meter. The sound is omnidirectional, so you can place it wherever you like, and you can still enjoy the rich, the warm, and the bassy sound of the speaker, and really enjoy the music because the quality it's really great. So let's listen to some music. That was all, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.